This is the Iron Trader. Now the pit's closed here at 2:30. That was about 15 minutes ago. So we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. Now remember, the API report on crude oil will be out today at 4:30. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels are posted. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock market ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have the old crude ski, your daily and your weekly charts, all stretched out nicely here. All right. Now, I've always been pointing out this 8 SMA here. See this? Okay, it's been holding the price down, holding the price down. Now the price is back above. Now look how many nice green days that we have. Now today basically was an inside day, which means your high and low are inside of yesterday's high and low. Okay, so let's just look at the downside here first. So what you want to do is you want to look at here this key 21 SMA. Okay, this is sitting at 73.47. If that is lost here, then we can come to the top of this candle here. You're looking at 72.56, and then we have your key at 71.50. Very, very crucial level, okay? If that is lost here, then what we want to do is we want to look here to this 200-day here on the weekly. That's sitting at 70.58. That is very, very key, because you can see how many times that has held it here in the past, and it needs to get a close back above and stay there. Now, again, if that is lost here, then we just follow these candles here all the way on down. So what do you got there? You got 69.54 here. We got 69.11. You got 68.80. We have 68.22. Then you have your big retest here of 67.71. Okay, that would be the target if your 8 SMA here is gone and your 200-day is lost on a closing basis. Not intraday, but a closing basis. Now, what do we want to do on the upside? Well, the upside here is very, very simple also. We want to look at yesterday's high. That candle is 74.61. Very, very crucial. If you can get above, then here is going to be the big problem, is this 8 SMA right here, sitting at 75.16. See that? Let me see if I can bigger up a little bit. Okay, see? That's the key problem right there, 75.16. You can see where it went right up into it. But when you look at these candles here, see? You can't get above. That is going to be the key. So, again, watch this key level here. Yesterday's high, 74.61, and this key 8 SMA here sitting at 75.16. Very, very crucial level. Again, now, if you can get above that 75.16, we follow the candles up here. What do we have here? You got 76.76, and then basically your big target here is going to be this 200-day here. Let me see if I can get it in there. No, I can't get it in there. Let me see here. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so if we can get it in there, you're looking at 77.76. That is going to be your big upside target if you can get above this key level here, 75.16. Okay, so again, if you can get above that, then what we have here is you got your 50-day right on top of that at 78.48. Now, when you look at this here and you draw a line, you're still in a downtrend. There's no question about it. You're still in the downtrend. However, I do like this right here, is your 8 SMA here is rolling up here and your price is holding it, okay? And now you're back above that key 21 SMA here. The big problem is going to be this one right here, this 75.17. If you can get above that, then we know where the target is, that 200-day and your 50-day are going to be your big targets, okay? So that's your upside. On a downside, just watch that key 8 SMA here and watch this key 200 SMA at 70.58. If that is lost here, your target is going to be 67.71. Now, if that 67.71 is lost here, then we come down to this candle right here, okay? This is what I've been talking about, 67.05, and that's lost. We come here, you're looking at 65.38. You have 64.36, and then your big retest here sitting at 63.64, okay? I like to point that out here just in case this level is lost. But right now, you got a nice trading range, okay? When you look at these price channels, see how nice they're flattened out here? You got basically 79.60 on the top, 67.71 on the bottom here. So we got to see if this can rally up here, or is it going to come up this 8 SMA here and sell right off? Now, again, seasonality is your friend right now until the first week of January. Then you want to dump a mundo till the end of February and then go long all the way through summer driving and through the hurricane season. Now, That all being said, there's always things that come up. So right now, out there in the Red Sea, you got a lot of attacks there. People cracking wise out there. Okay, they're attacking these cargo ships. They're attacking any kind of a ships they can. So I don't know how this is all going to work out. So if they happen to get a tanker down, or a string of tankers, or refiners, or however they can get this refined product down, or full product down, okay, any kind of attack is going to be bullish, like for crude. Okay, so always remember that. You always have to look at the news out there. Look at fundamentals, but you want to trade the charts. Okay, so again, bottom line here, downside, watch the 21, watch this key 8 SMA here, watch the key 200 day. Upside, yesterday's candle, this key 8 SMA here, then 200 day, 50 day, those are your targets. All right, let's see what old Natty Gas is doing. Okay, now Natty Gas, I had a good day in natural gas today. I scalped, what the heck did I scalp out of that there? I got 20 cents out of UNG there today. So that was pretty good. That's 15,000 shares I'm trading. So that worked out really, really good. I scalped cold a little bit to start, and I got 3 points out of cold. It was nothing to write home about, but it's not that bad. Okay, you combine that with the UNG for long, okay day in the Natty Gas. I also been scalping here is this UCO here. I'm long UCO here until the first week of January, and I'm also scalping it daily. Okay, so obviously here we hit this 2.59 here, came all the way down here, but now you look at, you did not even retest, come close to that. You had a good really upside. So now what you're gonna do is you want to watch that price channel that's sitting at 2.53. Okay, so that's a lot of like resistance right here. But again, if you get up, we can go and hit that 2.59 very, very easily. Okay, on this chart here on a 4-hour series of lower highs, lower lows, that's never good. But look and see how you made the turn here now. So now you're trying to catch up here. The key is going to be that price channel at that 2.59. That is the breakout. If you can get above that, then we can head right up towards this 2.84, that 200 SMA here, very, very easily. Let's take a look here on a daily and a week. Okay, this here, very, very nice chart here today. Okay, so what we did here is you look at today's low. What did you have? You had 2.385. Now we look at this candle here. What did you have? 2.38. You always look to the left of the chart. So you had a higher low, and that's a really nice support double bottom right there. See how nice that is? Okay, so when you're looking at the downside here, what you want to do is you want to look here at this 8 SMA. Okay, so you're looking at 2.44. Very, very key level. Again, if that is lost here, then we look right here to this 2.38, just like I've been pointing out here. Look at how nice that is. There was just a beautiful scalp there in the UNG there today. So that worked out really good. Now again, if that 8 SMA is lost and this key level here, 2.38 is lost here, then we just follow this right on down here. So then you got your 2.32 here, you got 2.29 here, you got 2.27, and then your retest here at 2.35. But everything is keyed on this 8 SMA. Now it came down, yeah, but where did it close? Back above. Very, very nice. Okay, so on the upside here, well, you know what we have to look on the upside here is going to be this 200 SMA here. See this? Basically 2.62. That is going to be your upside target there. And then right above that here, we have 2.64, which lines up very nice here with the 21 day. Now, your 8 day is, well, it's still trending down, trying to work it here, trying to curl back up. Your waterfall here on your 21 day and your 50 day is rolling over here. So bottom line, the key is a close, a back above this 200 day here and this 21 day here and the 50 day. If you can, then we can just ratchet up here. This is your target, 2.84. Above that, your target, 2.96. On the downside, always watch that 8 SMA on a closing basis. If that's lost, 2.23, there's your target. Now again, 2.23 is lost, then we come right here, 2.20, 2.17, 2.14, 2.03, and then you retest at 1.94. But right now, your RSI here, looking good here. You got a nice V bottom. Looks like you can rally red on up here. And look at here, your green is trying to get across your red. That's always very bullish sign here. Okay, and I like this candle that happened there today. Look how nice that is, okay? Wham, and it left a nice green candle. So we got to see where we can go. Now, again, if the commodities move, like say oil moves or something like this, natural gas is going to move with it. Now, right now, if you looked at my seasonality charts that I posted here last week, okay, right now the seasonality is down here for natural gas. But it'll start rallying up here after the first of the year here. So don't get too excited here with the short and all this kind of stuff. Right now, it's a scalper's market until you either close below that 8 SMA here and head down. Then it's a solid short, or you close back above this 200-day, that 50-day, and that 21-day. Then it's a solid long to the 100-day and to the 50-day. All right. That's what I got for you here today on the crude and natural gas. I'll be back tomorrow morning before 8 o'clock, and we will review that. Remember, the API numbers here will be out today at 4:30, and then EIA report will be at 10:30 on Wednesday morning. Thanks for watching.